Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at my kitchen and maybe मेरा voice थोड़ा echo कर सकता है. So मैं आज आराम से ही बोल रही हूँ, आज से ही बोल रही हूँ ना. I'm really sorry, I do not have a tripod like the long one. I have ordered, but वो अभी तक arrive नहीं हुआ. So I'm dying to see this, show you this recipe because I'm back on diet. Like I'm back on my keto. So for the lunch, I'm going to make prawn Caesar salad. Basically, Caesar salad is a Greek salad. जिसमें कच्चा सब्जी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ता है एंड मोस्टली अगर आप चिकन या प्रॉन या कुछ भी डालो तो वो इधर स्टीम्ड रहता है या ग्रिल्ड रहता है. बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक समथिंग डिफरेंट. फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉटे माई प्रॉन्स क्योंकि आज मैंने देख के बोला मुझे याद नहीं रहता है. तो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू मेक लेमन बटर प्रॉन्स. उसके साथ में सीजर सलाद को कंबाइन करूंगी. एंड हाई फॉर द रेसिपी वी हैव एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑलिव ऑयल बिकॉज कीटो में वी कैन नॉट यूज normal oil, regular vegetable oil and mustard oil. And for the dressing I have virgin oil, apple cider vinegar as well as आप लोग lemon भी use करते हो. I have both the options. Butter, this is red onion, this is a small size red onion. Next up we have capsicums, this is a half diced capsicum, some roman lettuce, cucumber. ये मैंने 2 मिर्ची को chopped किया because I am a spice order. प्रॉन्स, इसमें मैंने हल्का सा टर्मरिक लगा के रखा है. दिस इज स्प्रिंग अनियंस, दिस इज गार्लिक, दिस इज 1 tablespoon garlic or a 1 clove of garlic. So right now I'm going to start. Turn on the gas. Now I'm going to put this much of butter because I don't want to add too much of fat because I will add cheese to the end. ताकि ये butter burn ना हो, I'm going to use a bit of olive oil. That's it. इसको थोड़ा सिजल होने देंगे. Onto this I'm going to add this mirchi as well as my garlics. And I'm going to saute them really well. Sorry guys, I'm not a professionalist but I'm trying my best. इसको मिड आँच में रखना है, ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ाना. तो अभी हल्का हल्का भुन चुका है. And we will add the prawns. We have around 100 grams of prawns, I guess. I'm not so good in quantities. We just have to scissor these. So next up, जब ये थोड़ी सी orangish golden हो जाएंगे, when they start releasing their colors and water, I'll add a bit of black pepper. Not a bit, like I love black pepper. You know, there are very few masalas that we can add to our dishes because keto mein you cannot have too much. And I'll also add some salt. I use personally sea salt. Next up I'll add this capsicums. Now you generally don't need to add this but I don't like kacha capsicums or bell peppers this taste, so I'm going to use this. And I'm also going to use some handful of spring onions. That's it, this would be too much. And I'm going to saute them as well. Now bell peppers you can add it later. But as I said, I don't like the raw flavor of this. तो मैं just saute करूँगी. I don't want them to get smushy or get them soft, anything like that. Just a bit ताकि जितने भी इसमें टेस्ट मसाले वो सब आ जाए. मैं थोड़ा इन लोगों को खोने दूँगी. So for the dressing, I have used olive oil. This is the olive oil I have used. You can use any olive oil to be very honest, but make sure to use a kind of olive oil which is extra virgin. And next up I'm going to use this Wow Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. Genuinely इसके साथ rice wine vinegar add करते, but I don't own that. I use this and I'm also going to use some black pepper. Using a bit of black pepper. A sprinkle of salt. Next up I'm going to mix this really well. Okay, now into this big bowl जो आप लोग इतना देर से देख रहे हैं, ये big bowl में I'm going to use a big handful of lettuce. These are iceberg lettuce. Okay, this is so beautiful. Look, I love iceberg lettuce. So this is how it looks. Next up, I'm going to use this cucumber. This is a small size, like 8 to 10-inch cucumber. Next up, I'm going to use this chopped onions. This is a very small size, like this much, like a small sized red onion. I'm adding this, and I'm also waiting for my prawns to get done. Then I'll mix this. How my prawns are looking. They are done. मैंने गैस off कर दिया है. Now I'm going to pour this over here. So let's go. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Yes. Next up, I'm going to use this salad dressing. I guess ये थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा. I'll add if I need it. Then you just have to mix it, baby. So for the cheese, I have this one. This is Delecta Natural Feta, the perfect salad cheese. This is 100 gram. I'm going to use half of this, which is like 50 gram, which is perfect for this portion. This is how my salad looks, and this is all the burtan I have used. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm going to taste it and tell you guys how. Taking some of the lettuce, a prawn, a cucumber, every possible things to get in one spoon. So this is how my handful of spoon is looking. I'll be needing a little bit of vinegar, and that's it. It is tasty. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Then if you guys like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.